Hi folks, Chief Meteorologist James Zahara here. A fabulous spring day it has turned out to be. The sunshine taking over, the winds fairly light, and temperatures are warming nicely. Well, in the 70s across a lot of our hometowns with just a few high thin clouds coming on in. We'll see a few more of those as we head in the evening hours as dry front comes in from the northwest. Likely see those temperatures average around 80 or so or close to it later on this afternoon. Here's what's kind of interesting. We're looking pretty good skywise around here. Look at this. What do we have right here? That's actually smoke from some of the Canadian wildfires that are going on in parts of Alberta, and the high winds aloft actually helping to steer this from north to south. So as we head toward evening, we're going to probably see some incredible sunset around here with those high clouds coming on across the area. So we'll keep an eye on that. We won't smell the smoke mainly because it's so high aloft. And what's right along that high level of smoke is a cold front, and a dry one at that will be approaching from north to south. Slim chance for really any activity to drop along it, mainly because there's not much moisture to work with. So here's that front, expect to be arriving sometime around midnight or earlier than that, swinging those winds more out of the north and east. Not much caught in that flow, so we're going to kind of stress a fair to partly cloudy night across the area, with overnight lows getting a bit cooler, averaging around 50. Some rural areas more into the north and east, very likely to be dropping in the upper 40s. Then come tomorrow, it is just a bountiful amount of sunshine. We'll continue with that northeast breeze, so temperatures, I think, will be kind of similar to what we're enjoying now, with widespread 70s for daytime highs, maybe around 80 in parts of Burlington, Macomb, and even around Peoria. In the days ahead, should be pretty quiet, but we're still tracking our next round of wet weather. This is Thursday evening at around 5. There's a line of some showers and thunderstorms, but keep in mind it's all about the timing when this arrives. And right now, we're still looking at this system coming in by the morning hours on Friday, which means the level of instability in many cases is going to be way down. So this once again may be more of a showery event that will be taking place in the morning hours on Friday, and then we dry out nicely just in time for your weekend. Yeah, outdoor plans should be just fine for the upcoming weekend. Mid-70s on Saturday, around 80 on Sunday, and it's going to feel very much like summer-like weather going into next week, where highs will continue in the 80s. For more weather information, go to our website. That is WQAD.com.